Amazing Antarctica. Worth to know. Continents. Globe. Predator. Protect. Research. Scientist. The seventh continent. Give a globe a spin. On it, you can easily find 6 continents: Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Now look at the bottom of the globe. There you will find continent number 7, Antarctica. For a long time, no one knew Antarctica was there. It was located far from where anyone lived. People did not discover Antarctica until about 200 years ago. Since then, we have learned a lot about Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent and has the strongest winds. Less rain and snowfall there than in any other continent. Antarctica is also home to some of the most amazing animals in the world. Do you know what? Bears, owls, foxes, and penguins live in Antarctica. But some people think penguins live in the South Pole, not the North Pole. Freezing Antarctica. During the winter, Earth's southern half is turned away from the sun. For a couple of weeks in June and July, winter in Antarctica, the sun never rises. For a period in December and January, summer in Antarctica, the sun never sets. That's because it's too cold. Its location made the weather almost always cold, icy, and windy. You can't because it's icy. The temperature in summer is usually just above 0 degrees, means 32 Fahrenheit. In winter, the temperature often drops below minus 18 degrees Celsius. Actually, it's 0 Fahrenheit. The coldest known temperature on Earth was in Antarctica in July 1983. It was about minus 89 degrees Celsius, means minus 128 degrees Fahrenheit. This cold explains why thick sheets of ice cover much of Antarctica. In some places, Antarctica's ice is more than 4 kilometers, 2.5 milliliters thick. With all that ice, it might seem surprising that Antarctica is also the driest continent. That's because glaciers started to melt and animals can't survive. It gets less than 5 centimeters, 2 inches of rain and snow each year. When snow falls, it is made of particles of water. When it is cold, it turns into snow. If it's very cold, it turns into hail. And then it's too heavy, and then it falls. Water covers most of Earth's surface, but it is mostly salt water. Most of Earth's fresh water is frozen in Antarctica's ice. The ice has built up over many thousands of years. Other dangerous mammals live.
Why?
Because if the animals like had lived in here, it can't find food. Their homes get lost.
Yes.
But penguins find fish underwater, so they can dive and they can eat fish. So why can't they do that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Most of Earth's fresh water is frozen in Antarctica's ice. The ice had built up over many thousands of years. This happens because snow doesn't melt completely during the summer. Life on and around Antarctica. The cold, icy, windy conditions have made Antarctica a dangerous place. Only low plants such as moss grow on the continent. No trees grow there. Antarctica has only one active insect. One? I don't think so. A cockroach can survive for many years. A cockroach means a kind of insect. If you use it with your feet and put it under the ground on the cockroach, it still lives.
It can jump?
It can jump. Cockroaches are always smelly.
I know.
If you touch it, it sprays some smoke.
I don't like it.
Like a skunk. It uses it still and almost all plants and animals live on Antarctica is found near the coast or in the sea. Among the creatures that call Antarctica's ice water, this is a harp seal, also known as a giant leopard seal. A leopard. I don't think it's a leopard. A leopard means fast.
Yes. Its animal is a fastest.
No, it's the hawk is the fastest. It is only the second. It can run at more than 100 kilometers per hour.
100?
Yes, equals a car.
Yes. Right.
That called Antarctica's ice water home are emperor penguins, the biggest penguin in the world. I know that. The leopard seal, a fierce predator of penguin, also lives in the sea.
Wow, sure.
A male emperor penguin has a big job when it comes to a baby penguin. It stays on ice and holds an egg between its feet and body for 2 months. It does not eat and loses almost half of its weight. If the chicken hatches before the mother returns, the father stays with the chick. Oh, ow. Once the mother comes back, she feeds the chick. The father can finally go to the sea to eat. Oh. If I am a penguin, I don't want to be a male.
Why?
Because I don't want to lay some eggs. I don't want to protect from others. A playground for scientists. This is a playground. This is a work ground.
Yes.
Playground for children. Scientists have experiments lab. People around the world have worked hard to protect Antarctica's animal and land. What? They are not protecting. They are harming.
You think it's harming the environment?
Yes,
Why you think it's
because there are trucks
yes.
and oil. Some are there all year, even in winter. Others are only there in summer. Sorry, I haven't read the upper. Many countries send scientists to Antarctica to do research. Do you know? No one country is control of Antarctica. In 1961, many countries signed an agreement called a treaty. It makes sure no wars happen in Antarctica so scientists can study there. Means they're not harming.
Yes.
Many kinds of scientists come to Antarctica to work. Is it cute?
Yes.
Do you want a penguin for a pet?
No. Because penguin needs very cold weather. But Vietnam is hot, right?
No. What is the season? Summer, then in autumn, then in winter.
But no have icy. In
Icy.
Vietnam, yes.
But the last season has on Earth. It doesn't have snow, but it's cold.
But I think when you want penguin is pet, you need open the fridge, right?
Fridge?
Yeah.
I don't want to. It can't survive in there. It's too small.
It's too small.
But in spring days happen faster than winter days. Winter days is longer because the sun did not shine. For example, some scientists study what penguins eat. Everything knows it is only fish. Many kinds of scientists come to Antarctica to work. Some study its animals. Other scientists study Antarctica's ice. They learn about how the ice has changed. Is it dangerous? How he handle this?
I think it's real. It's big real. It can break the ice.
But why he put his hand on here?
I don't know.
He has a handle. They learn about how the ice has changed. When I grow up, I want to be a scientist.
You want to go here?
I'd rather study penguins. What do you want?
I want
An architect?
no.
A doctor?
No.
A teacher?
Yes. I can teach your son. When
No.
you have married.
But you need to go to school and then you teach.
Okay.
But you need to set thousands of other people also visit Antarctica each year. Some ice can make a bed. Is an igloo.
Igloo.
Igloo. But when you are inside, it's warm because this big chunk of cube is very warm. When it's night, people sleep in the up of the igloo. Thousands of other people also visit Antarctica each year. I have read that. I see an awesome, so I know. Conclusion. Antarctica is one of the least known lands in the world. The cold, ice, and rough seas make it a difficult place to explore and study. However, it's a place of amazing beauty and an important place to protect. Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Actually, this is beautiful.
It's many color in the sky.
Yes, like a rainbow. Do I need to talk this? Continents. The main sections of land on Earth, including Africa, South America, Asia, Europe, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. It has in the book.
Yes.
A ball-shaped map of the world is a globe. Predator is an animal that hunts and eats other animals, like a food chain. You know what?
I know.
It eats other.
Each animal eats other.
An ant. A mouse eats an ant. A snake eats an ant. No, a snake eats a mouse, and the hawk eats snake.
And what is a hawk?
A hawk, it is like an eagle. Protect, to guard or keep from harm or danger. Danger! Penguins are in danger.
Penguin? I don't think so.
Right. Glaciers fall. So how can they stand on 1 foot or 2 foot?
2 foot. 2 feet. It's
Two
not foot.
2 feet?
Yes.
But in the water you can't stand. You sink.
And it the wing to balance.
No, it's swim.
Oh.
A bear can swim. An owl can fly.
But I thought of penguin. Penguin, how the penguin balance when it's standing?
It use my foot like.
I think it's wing to keep balance.
It wings and its feet.
Okay.
Especially to discover new information or to find facts means research. A scientist, people who work in or study one or more fields of science. Do I need to read this?
No.
Goodbye, everyone. Do your homework. Goodbye.